My name is Tyler Ribeiro. I live in Tulare, California on our family farm. I am very blessed to be the fourth generation being able to not only take care of cows out here in California, but our land and environment as well. Technology was something that we brought in very hesitantly because we are very hands-on cow people. We milk 1,500 cows here, but we want to make sure that these cows are seen multiple times a day. With the Nedap SmartSight, our goal is to have animals on farm for greater periods of time. I want old cows that have been around for a long time. And what we've noticed is that finding animals earlier in lactations has been amazingly beneficial to that goal. A lame cow to me was an animal that had a problem that I could see. These cameras are picking up issues that only she can feel. It enhanced our eyes. We didn't remove our eyes from these animals. It showed us things that visually we didn't see on our own, and it made us recognize areas of improvement that now we can make a better life for these animals and make it easier for all of us that are working with them. Adopting the Nedap SmartTag was incredibly beneficial. When we look at the health monitoring system with the collars, we're able to find animals that may have a subclinical issue that visually we couldn't see. I don't monitor every animal by eye and see how long she's eating or how long she's laying down, but these monitors not only see that for me every single moment of the day, but it creates a timeline for them so I can see a trend and I can see how we are doing with those animals. Are we doing good? Or is there room for improvement? With the use of the Nedap SmartTags, we're able to take advantage of the cow locators. We have pens that hold 180 to 200 animals. If I need 1, 3, 5 animals, I can now look on my phone or my tablet and walk right to where she is. Then we have preventative technologies like foot baths by Hoofstrong that make sure that those hooves stay hard, stay healthy, and gets rid of anything that might be growing on them so these animals can stay mobile. Having trends for animals has been really important for us because it helps us continuously build on the great things that we are doing and help these animals do more with less. I love what this industry can do, what this community can do, and I love being a part of it. I love that I can teach not just my kids, but a whole bunch of other people where their food comes from and how we do it. I think in the next 5 to 10 years, I'm gonna have some really old, really happy cows.